Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a new look for you guys because the wedding season is here. I partnered with Nadula on this look, you guys. This is their 22 or 24 inch, I can't remember, body wave unit. She is absolutely fabulous and perfect for this kind of look. So if you are a bride, if you are a bridesmaid, maid of honor, you are attending a wedding and you need some hair inspo, I think this look would suit so many of you out there. It's such a trending look. I just like the whole vibe, the flirtiness of it, and the ease of it as well. I thought this style was gonna be a lot harder than what it was, but it definitely was not. So I got you covered. Before we get into this tutorial, go ahead, if you have not already, subscribe, give me a like, and also make sure you check the description box because everything about this unit that I'm wearing will be located down there, and also anything that I use for styling will be there too. So yeah, that's enough blabbing for me. Let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me babe.
All right, you guys, so let's jump right into this. So this is how the wig came, and it's really cute packaging. I had a few little goodies up in here, and of course this is the unit. I am gonna go ahead and customize this unit because we're pulling the hair back. I had to go in and pluck the hairline and of course bleach the knot to make this look as natural and as good as possible. So I'm going in before, actually I think this was before or after I bleached the knots. Nope, this was before I bleached the knots, sorry guys. And just plucking the unit, I'm really just trying to thin out the hairline because nothing bothers me more than seeing a really thick hairline when the hair is pulled back. Also, you guys, I made a mistake. This is actually straight. This is not body wave. So make sure you check the link down in the description box. I have exactly what I'm wearing down there. So again, this is 13 by 6 straight unit. All right, so getting to this tutorial, let's focus on the hairline. Whenever you're pulling your hair back, that's just my main focus. Everything else will fall naturally in place if the hairline looks good. So slick my edges back, you guys. I'm using my Eben lace spray that I'm absolutely in love with. It's my all-time favorite. It gives an amazing hold that lasts and lasts and lasts. Just doing my normal meltdown routine, and for this I really made sure I sprayed a little bit more than I normally do, and then I'm gonna add my elastic strap really tight because I really wanted the lace to really melt into my skin. And so this actually took me a lot longer than it normally takes me. Usually it takes me like no time, but I really took my time to make sure my hairline was right, you guys. So this is how we are looking after it's melted, and I'm going straight in after, of course, I wiped off the excess product. I'm going in right here with just a little bronzer because I'm going to end up bronzing my face anyway. So I just applied a little bit of that around the hairline and on the lace. And next we are just going to carve out or section out our hair. So first I'm doing the bangs because I do have 2 strands coming from each side like you guys saw in the beginning. And then next I'm just going to pull out where I'm going to do my baby hair. So I of course did my edges and my sideburns, and I'm just sectioning everything off. And then I'm also going to section out how high I do want my look to go. So basically my half up, half down, how high I want this ponytail to go. And I'm going to clip that out and move that out of the way. Now, I will say this look would have been much easier, especially getting to the ponytail part, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second, if I did it on a mannequin head. But I really just wanted to do it on my head to show you guys, like if you were actually at a wedding, you didn't have a mannequin head available, how you would do it on your own head. So this is what I'm doing here, just laying my edges, you guys, and then we'll get to the ponytail section. So there's a trending look where you actually see the parts in each section. So I'm dividing my hair up in three, two on the sides and then one in the middle. But because this is a lace front, of course the lace did not go back that far. So you can only see like a little bit of the part right here. And I'll define that towards the end of this video, you guys. But anyways, I did the best that I could. So I'm just taking like a combination of my wax stick, my hot comb, and some hairspray, and just really getting these parts down, like these sections on the side and of course in the middle, down using a combination of my rat tail comb and a really hard board bristle brush. And this is the reason why I said I sprayed a little bit more of my Eben lace spray than I normally did, because I knew I was going to be pulling on my hair, pulling it back in a ponytail, and I didn't want it to come off. So if you're going to pull your hair back, make sure you just do a little bit extra, because I don't use glue. Keep that in mind. Just use a little bit more hairspray and you'll be just fine. Like I was just fine. My lace didn't lift or anything like that. I was good. So just do a combination, take your time. And then what I ended up doing is taking this middle section once I got everything nice and flat, and I put that in a ponytail first, y'all. So put that in a ponytail first and then pull your sides right over and on top of the middle section, and then gather that and put that in a ponytail as well. And you should be good. And then of course, if you need to spray a little bit more hairspray, use your rat tail comb or your brush to smooth everything down. And that's basically all I did to get this into a nice sleek ponytail. It was a lot easier than I thought, you guys, and I think it looked good right here. I was happy with it. So next, I needed to add some movement in my hair. I wanted it to have some body. So I just took my, my razor. And I haven't used this in so long, but I was like, this is gonna be perfect. And it gave me the look that I wanted. You can get these really cheap razors off of Amazon, you guys, or the beauty supply store. You don't need anything expensive. And I just cut a little bit off the ends and make sure you get the middle. And then I'm just using my curling iron. This curling iron is so good. It's the I think it's the Revlon. I think I paid like $25 a few years ago for it. And I pulled it out today and it made my curls look so good, you guys. It was perfect. And I'm just adding my flexi rods just to keep them curled, because I was going to change and do my makeup and all that great stuff. And I just wanted the curls to hold, because it's been super humid and also rainy lately. So after you finish curling your hair, don't forget, before you undo your flexi rods, take everything out. Make sure you add some hairspray, let it sit for a little bit, and then undo your curls. So next, you guys, just doing the two little pieces I have in the front. I ended up cutting the hair straight across, and then I ended up curling it, like to do like little spiral curls. I don't know if you can see the ones on the left. I didn't like that look. I thought it looked, it just was not what I was going for. So I just ended up straightening them out and then just doing a simple curl underneath. And that was perfect. Like I just didn't need to do the little swirlies and all that. Wasn't called for. Added a little bit of hairspray, and that was basically it for styling this. It looks like a lot, you guys, but it was so easy. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And so to finish up this look, you guys, I'm just gonna take my curls out. Y'all, this hair was perfect for this look. It was bouncy, it was soft, no smells, no anything. Perfect length. And then for my ponytail up top, I just took of course my curl out, and then I just flipped the ponytail up and added an elastic. You can use a clip if you have one, but I would say be careful with the clip, because you know, if you're going to a wedding, make sure it's a more dressier of a clip, or you can just do this, just flip it up and just use an elastic. Add some hairspray and comb out or brush out your curls so they're not super tight. I also just added a little bit of concealer to all of my parts to define them a little bit more. And that was basically it for this look, you guys. This has got to be one of my all-time favorite looks I think I've done on my channel. And I never do like looks like this. I don't know why, but I think I'm going to start. So make sure you guys like this video. Tag me on Instagram if you decide to do this look at whatever event you are going to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check the description box as well for all the details, and I'll talk to you in my next one.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.